This is a question paper module. In this, we are choosing the question from the question bank which is already been prepared. Once a paper is prepared, it can be reused for next exams like retest. In this window, you can see the question papers. There are options to filter your respective question paper. If you want to create a paper, click on to the create button that is available in the top portion. In that, you can select the class and question paper, subject and the name of the question paper. For example, click to the maximum mark and you can opt the save or save and continue option, and that will lead to the next step. Then you can click to the question section. The same will be appearing when you are clicking save and continue option. Here we can type the selection title like part A, part B, etc. And next, order of section. Question type like MCQs, paragraph, one word, etc. In case of MCQ and one word, we have option of auto evaluation. Next, go for giving mark for single questions. In the next two columns, we need to fill the required questions to be answered and the total questions in the section. And we can save the details. Similarly, we can create multiple sections. Teacher can modify this question section before publishing the question paper. The next step is question setting. In this, you can see each setting we have made. When we are choosing each section, then that is here. We are choosing one-word questions. Then all the one-word questions prepared by the teachers will be shown. For making it more easy, there is a search icon through which we can filter the questions. When we are selecting it, that can be shown in the details below. We can choose as we wanted to prepare it. The question order of each section can be manipulated by the teacher. In a similar way, we have to select question for each section that we have already created. In a particular section, if we have predetermined the number of questions as 5, we cannot increase the number of questions in that same section. In a section which is having 5 set of questions, if the teacher failed to upload 5th question, the teacher cannot publish the exam or the question paper. After completing all the above setting, the question paper is ready to get published. And the published question papers can be viewed as visualized here.